Hey everyone, we got lesson 15 that we're looking at here. We are bringing the family together. I know, all right? It's like the holidays, people. Everyone's showing up. So down on your screen there, you can see that we are adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, exponents, all right? So we're just kind of bringing everyone together. We've seen these words before, and we're not going to get all the words that are up here. But my goodness, people, let's get the main ones here, all right? The most wanted ones. And the most wanted ones are all the ones that involve parentheses. So keep that in mind. All of these guys are your parentheses words, which means what word's going to show up? Yes, that is the word and is going to make an appearance. So for addition, that would be the word sum. For subtraction, that would be the word difference. For multiplication, that's going to be the word product. For division, that's going to be quotient. So all of these mean the answer to that type of problem, which means it's parentheses, and that word and is going to be involved. Now, regarding the exponents, we've seen maybe briefly here and there, but we're going to make it official. We do want to realize that something raised to the second power is known as squared, whereas if we are taking something, all right, get that letter E. There it is. All right. To the third power, it's referred to as being cubed. And then again, a two-dimensional shape is a square. A three-dimensional shape is a cube that we are looking at. All right. So let's work our way down the page here. All right. And I think the only other people we really want to make sure that we are addressing is the fact of less than. All right. Less than does mean to subtract, but the big thing here is less than means to flip that order around. All right, so let's get on down into it because my goodness here, people, today are the good ones. This is the good stuff we're looking at here, all right? Let's go after letter B that's here. I see the X, I see the Y, I see them slammed up against each other. That means we are multiplying. So, yeah, I mean, I could just say... Can I just say X times Y? Absolutely I can. If I choose to use that word product, I can do that too. That would be the product of X and Y. All right? Remember that and is going to be there and make some appearances. All right. So let's get into some better ones here. Letter C. Okay. I see that 4 up against that letter, so we're multiplying. I see an addition sign as well. So no parentheses involved here. So, I mean, I could stay very basic and just say 4 times F plus U. Hey, nothing really going on. No parentheses. Keep it simple, that's there. Letter D. All right. Then basic. D minus... How do we say this? This would be B cubed. I could say B to the third power, but hey, it's a little bit faster to say cubed. All right, now we're getting into the good stuff here. Here we go. My goodness, my goodness. I see a number up against parentheses, so I got some multiplication. I see subtraction inside parentheses, and I just see that addition sign off to the side. So, if I start off saying 5 times, all right, I need something that means parentheses and subtraction. Hey, let's use difference. So 5 times the difference of U and 10. And I might go ahead and give a little bit of a comma here to let them know there's the pause, there's the end of the parentheses, and then I can finish off by just saying, hey, plus H. All right. Without the comma, it's kind of like it's run all together, and I'm not really sure if it's inside the parentheses. So the comma is going to help us out. Letter F, like we saw from the previous lesson in 13, hey, there are parentheses that are there. I'm going to go quotient here. All right. Quotient's really going to separate that. So I'm going to say the quotient, all right, of 3 and. Remember, and is that division symbol. So I've got the 3 upstairs, my division symbol. I can just say D plus f. So you might be thinking, but wait a second. I thought you said that there's parentheses there, and there are, but quotient is handling those parentheses for me. All right, so down here, the A1 is just simply like, hey, like what's being used within the problem, because we have to kind of diagnose it before we get the words that are out here. So I'm going to drop down to question number 10, and we see 5D, and I see a fraction bar and a 6, which means, okay, I see a number up against a letter, so we are multiplying, so that's going to mean it's a product. I see a fraction bar, which means we're dividing, so hello quotient. No adding, no subtracting, so no sum or difference. Go to the next one there, all right? Ooh, jumbo size. First of all, I see an addition sign, so we're going to add. I see a subtraction sign, so we're going to subtract. I also see a multiplication symbol. Remember, that number's up against the parentheses, so yes, we are multiplying. All right. Let's see if we got any other good ones that are down here. Well, 12 is worthwhile. All right, what's going on here? No, just you. You, where'd you go? Come on back here. Let's try that again here. There we go. Just you. Yes, it's just multiplication. Letter up against a letter means to multiply. All right. So just a few more here. All right, we're gonna write an expression, use vocabulary. Okay, so let's get some words that are down here. So for 14, let's go to 14. How about 15 times? I need parentheses. I need addition. Hello, sum. 15 times the sum of A and C that we're after here. Again, that word and's going to show up. So that's a nice one to use here. Let's drop down a little bit here. And let's just hit 17. No parentheses involved here. When we don't see parentheses and we don't see that fraction bar with people upstairs and downstairs, it makes our life a lot easier. And again, I see in 17 there's a fraction bar, but it's just a D up there. It's just a 2 down there. So it's nice. F minus D divided by 2. That's it. That's it. No parentheses makes our life really easy. And the fact that even though I've got a fraction bar, there's really no parentheses because there's only one person upstairs and downstairs. That makes it nice as well, too. All right, people, that's it. We're out of here. All right. See you later.